everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how I did my makeup for all my brother's wedding events. So first I'm going to start with primer. I'm going to apply this wherever I have large pores, and this is also going to help with controlling my oils throughout the day. And then I'm going to go in with my very trusted foundation. This is the perfect match and this stays all day long. Then I'm going to brighten my under eyes with Becca's color corrector. And then I'm going to conceal my under eye darkness with the OG Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is a very heavy duty concealer. It doesn't crease and stays put all day long. And I trust my brushes because not all the time I will have flexibility to wet my sponge, so I always work with brushes. And then to give that natural contour and glow, I'm going for a cream contour, and this is the Maybelline V Face Duo. And then I'm going to set all the cream products with my favorite Lakme White Intense Powder. This is going to make everything look so much better. And then for my blush and highlighter, I'm going with Becca Jaclyn Hill palette, and I don't know, for some reason this blush and highlighter duo works for literally every dress and makeup, and this is the only blush and highlighter I travel with. And I'm going to apply the highlighter on the high points of my face like I usually would do, and I would go really overboard with highlighter because that gives a very nice look to the face and it comes out beautifully in the pictures as well. And for my brows, I'm going to take time to do my brows because this gives a very nice defined look to the face. And I'm going with cream and powder combination. First I'm going to apply the cream and then fill in my eyebrows with powder, and I'm going to brush everything with a spoolie to put the hair in place. Moving on to eyes, I'm first going to put that beige down so that my eyeshadows will stay on for a longer time without creasing. And then moving on to eye makeup, I keep it very simple. You'll be surprised I only travel with this Viseart Petite Pro palette. I'm first going to apply a matte brown eyeshadow all over my lid, and then a lighter matte cream eyeshadow under my eyebrows, and then I'm going to really define and deepen up that crease with a deep matte brown eyeshadow. I'm going to apply a lot of the eyeshadow and blend it very thoroughly. Then I'm going to put down a gold eyeshadow all over my eyelid. I'm going to blend some of that brown eyeshadow all along my lower lash line as well. And then a shimmery champagne shade in the inner corner of my eye. And then to add more of that oomph to the eye makeup, I'm adding this Colourpop eyeshadow in Lightening Bug. This is a glittery gold eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. And I'm going to run some kohl pencil in the waterline, inner waterline, upper waterline. I'm also going to apply some kohl pencil on my upper lash line and smudge it. This is the best eyeliner. It stays put all day long, no matter you dance, cry, it's gonna stay put. And then on top of the smudged eyeliner, I'm going to run my liquid liner, and I'm going to do a traditional wing. This is going to give a very defined look to the eyes, and I really like that undone look. And then followed by some mascara, and that finishes the eye makeup. And then for my lips, I'm first going to line my lips with a natural color lip liner, and then I'm going to top it off with this pink lipstick. This is Nykaa Paintstix in 05. This pink literally goes with every Indian outfit. I love this color. And that completes the look. If you're interested to see my outfits and also some pictures from the events, head over to my Instagram, deepikamakeup. I already uploaded a few. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, hit on the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.